What's up, guys? It's your guy Nerdy here, and I'm back with another How It Works. So today we have a Cuisinart ice cream maker. This is one that you can do it at home by yourself. Stop spending $8 on a gallon of ice cream. So listen, first things first, like, subscribe, share if you want to get more videos like this on how things work. This is me, Nerdy, and basically what I'm doing is I'm breaking everything down. I'm going through what's in the box. So of course we're going to start with the instructions. We're going to just pull everything out and just see how everything, what all comes within this box. And yeah, basically it's the machine, it's the top, it's a cylinder thing on the inside. Yeah, that right there, that looks a little something like I don't know, but as you see, multi-use, just in case, you know what I'm saying. But maybe not. But yeah, that's kind of what this is. So what we're going to do today is, once we go through all of this and show you what all comes in the box, the boxing was nice, it's packaged. That deal right there, that is the ice cream, that is the magic tub making this whole thing work. So when you shake it, it's like some water in there. Okay, the recommendations is to leave that in the freezer for about 24 hours. We'll visit this again later in the video, but as we see, there we go. Look, the box itself, I mean, the machine itself isn't that big at all, right? The cord actually tucks in at the bottom, and as you can see, a little styrofoam in there, all plastic, nice, calm and shiny, and then it's a knob. The knob is so easy to use, literally on, off. So this big tucked in right there, so saves a lot of space, and then easy cleanup, easy put up or whatnot, at least from my experience. Okay, and you guys will see that. And then of course at the end I have a nice little treat for you guys. But yeah, this is the box. This is everything in there. It's about four things, literally four. So you take that, you drop that off in there. At the bottom you'll see it's going to have some grooves in there that fits the grooves that are inside. And so I'm reading the instructions because, hey, you don't want to break something that you just bought. Okay, this itself, it lets you know, hey, don't play around. Okay, you see, that's it. That's pretty much how you put it together. You drop one, you drop two, and then the fourth is this clear top. It's a clear top, but it has an opening in the top, and the opening so that you can drop the ingredients on the inside, right? And as of course it has the nice little grooves that it has at the bottom, and voila, that's it. That's all. All right, so now let's make some ice cream. All right, guys, so first things first, like I said, you have to put this in the freezer. Okay, that's my freezer. I got some strawberries, I got some stuff in there with my ice on the side. It says 24 hours, but yeah, this first time around I did leave it in there for 24 hours. So now it's out, it's icy cold. I'll drop it in there, boom. It's nice ice cold. I'm gonna drop this in here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to make our ice cream. What I decided to do is a vanilla Biscoff ice cream, okay? So vanilla Biscoff means, basically, I'll put the recipe in the description, but it was just literally ice cream. It's vanilla ice cream, and then what I did is I crunched up some Biscoff, you know, the cookies from the airplane, chopped those up, grinded those up as much as I could, and we're gonna add those in. And so this part right here, so when you're getting your ice cream, it's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30, just depending on the consistency of the ice cream that you want. I advise, if you're adding things in like fruits and Biscoff and stuff like that, let it churn for at least 10 minutes or so before you do that. And I want you guys to hear how loud this is. Now that's the only thing I did not like about this. It was louder than what I expected, right? But as you can see, the consistency of it, the longer you let it go, the more consistent it gets, right? So at this point, we're done. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know straight up, hey, this is gonna give you about, you see the consistency of it, it's more like a soft serve. But right now, if you want it to get harder, the key is to put it back in the freezer after you scoop it all out. This gave us about 3 bowls of ice cream. So I mean, that's worth it. I mean, it's 2 quarts, okay? So, I mean, I wasn't looking for a whole gallon or anything like that, but it was worth it, okay? So, basically, this is it. 3 bowls of ice cream. I'm scooping it out. Like I said, I got something a little special for you guys here at the end. But the recipe is in the description. This is easy. Making ice cream, probably one of my best purchases this year. So, like, subscribe, and share, and here you go. Biscoff, we made it. Ice cream maker. What do you think, J52?
I mean, it's good. And plus, this is vanilla ice cream with something else in it.
Biscoff, like cookies and cream. You good?
I mean, we could have had chocolate.
We could have had chocolate.
We could have added the chocolate so no one could tell what's inside of it.
We'll do chocolate next time.